Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jabir Ali, Associate Professor in the School of Computer Science, Engineering and Technology. Today I'm going to explain you one of the most fundamental and important topics in the operating system, which is the basic understanding of process and threads. So come to the next. So here let's start what we see on our computer. These are the different applications like Firefox, Outlook, Photos and OneNote. So there are lots of applications are there. At this stage, they are very simple programs stored on the hard drive. Think of them as a house blueprint. A blueprint contains all the instructions for building a house, but it is not a house yet. Similarly, an application contains all the codes and instructions needed to be performed a task, but it is not running until we open it. So remember, the application is just like a blueprint. It only becomes active when we launch it. In the next slide, if you will see, suppose if you are choosing the firefox.exe, that's the executable file, it will open the Firefox. When I double click on the Firefox, the operating system reads all the instructions stored inside the application and it start executing them. Actually, this create a process. Think about building a real house. The blueprint tells us how to build the house, but once the house is actually built and the people start living in it, it becomes a real house. Similarly, Firefox.exe is the blueprint and the running Firefox on your screen is the process. So you may say the application is passive and process is the active. Okay, here in this PPT, if you will see, the every running application creates its own process. Okay, imagine three different house in neighborhood. Each house has its own kitchen, bedroom, furniture, electricity, and storage, and everything. Like so, even though the house looks similar, they don't share the personal belongings. The same happens with the process as well. Each process has its own code, data, heap, stack and all. This isolation makes process secure because one process cannot directly interfere with another. So now let's go inside one house. If the house is a process, then the family member living inside the house are the thread actually. So there are very big confusion in process and the thread. So here in this diagram that you can easily understand. So every house has at least one person, the main thread. As more work arrive, other family members help. For example, one person is cooking, another is cleaning, and other is helping the children with the homework. Everyone is working at the same time inside the same house. Similarly, multiple threads perform different tasks simultaneously inside one process, making the application faster and more responsive. So here, if you will see the process and thread. So basically, we can say an application is like a blueprint, a process is the house, and the threads are the family members working together inside it. I hope this real life example made the concept easy to understand. And keep watching for more simple and practical explanation of computer science topics. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning. Thank you all.